Hey Grace, how are you going?
Hey, how are you?
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
What a magnificent house you have created here on this beautiful block in the heart of Ivanhoe.
Yeah, so it's actually a really unusually shaped block. It's on a corner. We've got this magnificent outlook to the village, and the way that it's been sited to the block is actually really quite interesting. It's almost like you've got a three-sided facade.
The facade itself, in terms of the textures and materiality, it seems like there's so much going on, but it's very uniform as well.
Yeah, again, you've got the heroes with the curves, which is a nod to the Art Deco architecture that you do find in East Ivanhoe.
Grace, well, you certainly have done a magnificent job here on the outside facade. I can't wait to see what's happening on the inside.
Great, let's go have a look.
Amazing.
We're a full-service business. We have architects, interiors, build, landscaping, pools, so it's a complete solution.
Wow, Grace, this is so beautiful.
It is, isn't it? Thank you.
I absolutely loved the timber-lined ceilings in this space. Creates so much warmth and depth.
It does, it does.
My eye automatically is drawn to this beautiful kitchen and the stone that you've selected for it.
Yeah, so it's a quartzite, and the client was drawn to the pattern, the colour, the depth, because that is the importance of material selection, isn't it?
Absolutely. Grace, I love how you've introduced the beautiful shears in this space too, because it really softens it.
Yeah.
And then also the light fittings, they're so cute.
They are, and it also casts light and pattern, you know, which is really quite beautiful.
I'd love to actually see the master bedroom. Can you take me up there?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
So this is the master suite. You've got this beautiful void with a spectacular outlook to the hills. It's a little bit of a destination. The first thing that you've got is a yoga meditation space that leads into the bedroom as well as the ensuite.
There's some special items in there, one of them being that sauna as well.
Absolutely, it's a beautiful space.
Grace, I can't help but notice behind me I've got this mirror, but I'm guessing that it might be a lift.
Yeah, we actually do that in a lot of our homes. It's about you growing with the home. In this home, the glazing is so important. So you'll meet Pat and he'll talk to you more about the piano room.
Take me through.
Okay, great.
Hey Pat, how are you going?
Great, thank you.
So very nice to meet you. I hear you are the genius behind these amazing windows and doors in this house.
Yes, we made sure that we got our Rylock commercial series windows in place with the biggest glazing panels we could do.
Yep.
These actual windows are 3,700 high by 1,800 wide. Everything is double glazed. We've got the music room here, which is going to benefit everybody.
The East Ivanhoe Residence is an architecturally designed home commanding a strong street presence which echoes the heritage of the suburb.